Hacksaw type. For detail please visit my YouTube channel and please subscribe. What is a hacksaw? A hacksaw is a type of hand tool designed specifically for cutting through materials such as plastic, steel, and other metals. They are a variant of the traditional hand saw, typically used for cutting wood, and have become a staple tool for professionals and hobbyists alike. Types of hacksaw: full-sized hacksaw, junior hacksaw, mini hacksaw, power hacksaw. How to use a hacksaw safely? Chosen the right blade for the task. Ensure the blade is mounted in the correct direction, facing forwards. Check that the blade is properly secured to the frame. Firmly secure the object you are cutting, using a vise, for example. Saw vigorously, taking care to direct the cutting movements away from your body. How to change your hacksaw blade. Turn the wing nut to loosen the current blade. Carefully slide out the current blade. Insert the fresh blade onto the retaining pins within the handle. Either tighten the wing nut or reapply the fasten release mechanism. Conduct a test cut on a piece of scrap metal to ensure the new blade is safe and properly secured. How to maintain a hacksaw. You should regularly inspect hacksaw blades for signs of damage including warping or blunting. If blades do show signs of wear and tear, replace them. Apply oil or lubricant to the blade to prevent overheating when cutting. Minimize the risk of breakage when cutting harder materials by cutting more slowly. Regularly clean hacksaw blades to keep them in good condition for longer. For detail please visit my YouTube channel and please subscribe.